create use cases or DFDs. So in scenario-based modeling, we are actually talking about the use case diagram, the other diagram supporting it. So the success of any product is measured in terms of quality, that is user satisfaction. If the actors, the end users, or the people who are going to interact with the system, if it is well understood how they are interacting, now the software team can easily find out, characterize and prioritize the requirement, and on the basis of these they can build the analysis and design model. So in requirement modeling or analysis modeling, these are the pictures which we are going to discuss. What are they? So in requirement modeling, we start with UML. UML is the de facto standard, industry standard unified modeling language for making different kind of scenarios in form of use cases, activity diagrams and swim lane diagram. So the first one you see is the use cases, second one is the activity diagram, and the third one you see is the swim lane diagrams. How to create a use case? So Alistair Cogburn, he is a very renowned person in software engineering field. So he said that a use case is a contract for behavior. That is, a use case is going to capture the interaction between the user and the software. That is the producer and the consumer of information, and the system itself. That is, if you take a picture, that is you capture one kind of interaction between your system and the other stakeholders, and also the state of the system. That is a use case. So it is called a use case. You can call it as usage scenario. So we will try to develop a proper use case, which is actually the analysis modeling. Requirement modeling gives rise to analysis modeling. Analysis modeling is all about creating these models. So use case is describing a specific usage scenario from a point of view of an actor. There can be multiple actors. How does an actor see or how does an actor interact? That usage scenario is a use case. Now the question comes, what to write in the use case? How much we have to write? How detailed you have to write? That is, what are the description you have to give? So all these have to be organized also. So how to organize the description?